Hi guys, we have a cough and cold. Today we will give you tips for home remedies. You need spring onion. Heat them on fire. My mommy is using manzanilla. Squeeze them. I'm ready to apply my back on my back. Next are onions. Slice them and cut like this. Mommy will put the onion on my sock. Look at my sock. It's Superman. Duduk is Benton.
Where's your socks? Where are your socks?
I was
Love, where are you gonna put the onions? Where are you gonna put the onions?
on my sock.
Inside your...
Sock.
Sige na,
Because
come on.
I am sick.
Alright, come on. Oh, done. It's working.
Wait,
This one.
it's good.
No. Come on.
It's good.
It's not cold, of course.
It's good.
Wait. Gonna put... Wait lang. Sige na. How about here's the other one? Here's the other one. Come on. Sige.
That's so funny.
Wait lang.
Hana.
Sige, it's Dodong's turn. Come on, love. It's your turn. Oh. Sige na. Okay, sige na. Give me the pillow. Can you please give me the pillow? Come on. Love. Lie down.
Si Dudong. Si
Hmm?
Dudong, ma'am.
Why?
Titilindig ka. Ay.
No, sige na, love. Why?
Ang kitilin.
Ha?
Tahan ko kitilin.
Wait.
I'm
Let's do that, love. Dok, wait lang, love. Not yet. Next. For a while, love, ha?
Dudong, oh.
For a while. The other one.
Guys.
Come on.
I'm ready to go to sleep.
How about you, Doc? Are you ready to go to sleep na? The Doc?
So cold and raining. Mama, baby ko sa bed, ha?
So yun na, you go to sleep na. Good night, everyone.
Mami. Good night, guys. Good night.
Ayan.